Hi, welcome to Vision classes. It's the classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level students. So today we have to discuss the standard form and ordinary form. So standard form, it's written in the form of a times 10 to the power of n. N is the power, positive, or it might be negative power, fine? So a must be greater than equal to 1 and less than 10. Yeah, so it's a value between 1 to 9. Yeah, so standard form generally written in this fashion, a times 10 to the power of n. Now we'll take a two example of writing ordinary to standard form. Fine. So one is 5100. Yeah. So here we have actually the number is greater than 0. Yeah. So in this case we can write the positive power. Positive power means we have to move the decimal places. So here we have a decimal place. Yeah. So we have to move it to the left. When we move it to the left, it means we have to write the positive powers. So this is 1, 2 and 3. 3 to the left, isn't it? So it will be 5.1 times 10 to the power of 3. Done. That's it. Okay. Then now next take an example of 0.00032. Fine. Now we are moving this decimal digit. This decimal digit here, right? Means we are moving the decimal digit to the right. In that case, we have to put the negative power. Negative power means how many negative places we have to move to the right? It's a 1, 2, 3 and 4. Done. That's it. So it's a 3.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Getting it? Now similarly we have a standard form to ordinary form. So ordinary form we will take again two examples. One is the bigger number. Let's say here 2.1 times 10 to the power of 4 is there. So now it's again positive power, isn't it? So when we have a positive power, move the decimal places to the right, isn't it? Now it will be 1 place, then second place 0, third place 0 and fourth place 0. So it's a 21,000. Yeah, so we have to move when we have a positive power, we have to move the decimal digit to the right. Fine. Then nextly we have a, let's say here 0.031. We have a, let's say 3.1 times 10 to the power of negative 3 is there. So you have a negative power in this case. So you have to move the decimal places to the left, isn't it? So in this case answer will be 0.0031 because you have to move the three places to the left. That's it. Fine. This is how it means the you have to move the places while converting ordinary form to standard form and standard form to ordinary form. Let's discuss with the example. So we have here first question, that is here 520,000. We have to write in the standard form. So we have here a decimal place. Move it to the left means it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. So it's a 5.2 times 10 to the power of 5. That's it. Okay. This is in the standard form. Now you have to move here second example, decimal places to the right. Fine. So write how many places? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's a 4.3 times 10 to the power of negative 4. That's it. So move the decimal right 4 places to get the 4.3 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Now you have a here standard form is there. You have to convert into ordinary form. Now index is here positive index. So positive index means you have to move the decimal places to the right by 6 places. Okay. So let's see here 4, 8. Now this is one decimal place, then second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one and sixth. Done. That's it. Okay. So it's a 4,800,000. Okay. Now next one is negative power is there. So you have to move the decimal places left by 5 places. Okay. So it's a right here 7 to 5. Fine. So one place you moved it already. Okay. Then second, third, fourth, fifth. That's before fifth you have to place the point and 0. That's it. So it's a 0.40 then 7 to 5. That's ordinary form. I hope you are getting this one. Our regular batches classes are going on. Suppose if you want to continue with us, I have left the contact in the description box. Multiply 4.2 times 10 to the power of 6 times 3 times 10 to the power of 3. So firstly take the, here we have one more rule, 8 raised to m times 8 to the power of n. It's a 8 to the power of m plus n. So 10 to the power of here 6 times 10 to the power of 3. We can write it together. Yeah. Then 4.2 times 3. We can take it together. So 4.2 times 3 is 12.6 times 10 to the power of 6 plus 3 is 9. You have to now move this decimal place place one more place to the left so that it will be in the standard form. So it will be 1.26 times 10 to the power of 10. Done. That's it. I hope you are getting this one, how to move the places right and left. Fine. Then nextly you have a 6 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 2.5 times 10 to the power of 4. Alright. So here a raised to m divided by 8 to the power of n, we have a formula a to the power of m minus n. This is the formula. We can utilize it for 10 to the power of 8 upon 10 to the power of 4, which is just 10 to the power of 4. I will write here 8 minus 4 is 4, isn't it? Now 6 divided by 2.5. If you do it in your calculator, it will be 2.4. That's the answer even. Yeah, isn't it easy? Then nextly, the distance from the Earth to Mars is 2.28 times 10 to the power of 8 kilometer. The distance from the Earth to Moon is 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5 kilometer. How many times further is the Mars from the Earth compared to Moon? Give you an answer in the standard form. So here distance from the Earth to Mars is given, right, which is 2.28 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by distance from the Earth to Moon. Ratio we have to take, which is 2.28 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 3.84 times 10 to the power of 5 and convert in the standard form. So here again you have to take the division of this one. Okay, indices rule, 8 minus 5 is 10 to the power of 3, isn't it? Now 2.28 divided by 3.84, if you do it in your calculator, it will get the 5.937 up to 4 decimal places. Now we have to move 1 decimal places to the right so that it will be in the standard form. So it will be 5.937 times 10 to the power of 2. Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, then next one, here we have 6.2 times 10 to the power of negative 3 upon 2 times 10 to the power of 10. So we can take the 6.2 upon 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3, and if you take this 2 to the up, it will be negative 2. That's it. Fine. So answer will be 3.1 times 10 to the power of negative 5 will be the in the standard form. Alright. Then next one, the speed of a light is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 is there. How far does light travel in 4.5 times 10 to the power of 2 seconds? Give answer in your standard form. So distance traveled is equal to v times t, right? So speed is 3 times 10 to the power of 8 times t is 4.5 times 10 to the power of 2. So we have to take the multiplication. If you take the multiplication of 3 and 4.5, we'll get the 13.5 times 10 to the power of 8 plus 2. Power, addition of powers, isn't it? Then move even one place to the left to write in the standard form. So it's a 1.35. So here already we have 10 to the power 10 is there. So while writing, we can write as a 10 to the power of 11. That's the answer. Distance traveled in meter. Getting it? Then next one, the virus has a diameter 1.2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 expressed in the term of nanometer, which is 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power of negative 9 meter. So here we can divide it 1.2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 divided by 1 times 10 to the power of negative 9. Yeah, so it will be 1.2 times 10 to the power of negative 7 negative 9, which will be positive 2. That's it. Okay, this is in the standard nanometer form for the diameter. This is diameter of the virus. Yes, I hope you enjoyed it, converting the standard form to ordinary form to standard form. Okay, to know these kind of tips and tricks, follow our channel as well, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Enjoy the math.